Welcome to the STUDDS professional part replacement video. In this step-by-step video, you will learn how to replace the parts in your helmet. Let's begin. Visor mechanism replacement. To open the visor mechanism, rotate the visor screw anti-clockwise and gently pull it out. Now pull out the visor from its mechanism. Repeat the process for the other side of the helmet. Open the visor screw and pull out the visor. Now to remove the visor mechanism, use a screwdriver to open the screws and gently pull out the visor mechanism from its space. Keep all the parts safe. You will need them to reassemble the visor later. Reinstall the visor, place the visor mechanism back in place, then screw it. Check that it fits properly. Finally, align your new visor inside the mechanism until secure. Operate your visor to see if it is working properly. Mouth vent replacement. Your helmet comes with mouth vent to circulate air. To replace the mouth vent, first pull it down. Use a thin screwdriver, cover it with soft cloth to snap it out. To reinstall, put the vent grill back in its place. Now put the mouth vent back into its channels. Snap it back to its original position. Rear strip replacement. Your professional helmet comes with attractive rear strip. To replace the rear strip, use a thin screwdriver. Cover it with soft cloth to snap it out. Now pull out the rear strip from its slots one by one as shown in the video. To reinstall the strip back again, gently push it inside the slots one by one. It will adjust in its slots perfectly in the same way. Thank you for watching the video. For more information, visit www.studds.com or get in touch with your nearest STUDDS dealership.